Maxim MAX32650 Evaluation Kit, available from Mouser Electronics, provides a platform for evaluating the capabilities of this ultra-low power memory-scalable microcontroller. The MAX32650 is specifically designed for high-performance battery-powered applications and is part of a new breed of low-power microcontrollers called DARWIN, built to thrive in the rapidly evolving Internet of Things. It is based on an ARM Cortex-M4 with FPU CPU, with 3 MB flash and 1 MB SRAM. Memory scalability is supported with multiple memory expansion interfaces, including a Hyperbus Acceler DDI interface and 2 SPI execute-in-place interfaces. A secure digital interface supports external high-speed memory cards, including SD, SDIO, MMC, SDHC, and microSD. The kit contains a MAX32650 with a pre-programmed demo, JTAG debugger with ribbon cable, and 2 standard A to micro B USB cables. Typical applications include industrial, IoT, fitness, and medical. The Maxim MAX32650 fills the gap between constrained low-power micros and power-hungry microprocessors. For more information, visit mouser.com.